Hello. Hi there. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Nick, aka Sporp. Welcome back to my channel. So, let's get a change of wardrobe first. What do we got here? Perfect. So, we gotta talk. Things are gonna be changing up a little bit this year. Now I have that one video that I just put out, what was it? Oh, the History of Unix / the game that I made for my site. I'm considering the end of 2019 in terms of videos. I wanted to get it out before New Year's, but things got in the way, life happened, all that jazz. Yada, yada, yada. We gotta talk about a very important date that's happening this spring, April 24th. I alluded to this last year during that, what was it, the mission statement thing. That whole thing about me wanting to start a game company, me wanting to kickstart the board game that I've been working on for years now. That's all still very true. And here it is. This is the last year of Carbon. That is. Yeah, they're stickers. The logo, the title, all of it's going to be screen printed onto the box itself. And there's going to be a lot of information coming out just week after week about this board game. It is something that's been my baby for ages now. And I need to kick it out the door. I'm tired of working on it. I'm tired of staring at it every day, of just like the what ifs, the what could it have beens. This is getting released. April 24th. That's the date for the Kickstarter. That's when it's kicking off. And I hope you support it. I really like the game a lot. I enjoy playing it. It's fun. It's a little backstabby. The whole pitch is it's a competitive, cooperative experience about the end of the world. I love it to bits. So a couple things are changing for me in the next few months. Now I need to get this game out, and at the rate that I'm currently going at, it's not going to come out if I keep acting the way that I've been acting. I've had other videos that I want to get out, and now that they're done, I have no excuses anymore. This is the thing that I will be working on for the next few months. It's terrible timing, but timing's always terrible. Nothing's ever going to be appropriate in terms of the time that it's going to happen. Yeah, this is going to get kicked out the door on the 24th. Now, when I'm saying that I'm not happy with my current progress, I'm not happy with a lot of the things in terms of how I've been living my life lately. I got hit with that big sad for the winter. I had a relative who passed a couple years ago, and that always it just kind of like knocks me down every winter whenever I remember him. And then also my childhood dog Charcoal passed away. So I've been not coping super well in terms of just how I've been treating myself, with how my thoughts have been. Things haven't been exactly healthy for me. And I'm looking to change that. I'm looking to try to be a better version of myself for the next few months, and I feel like I have to be that in order to get this thing out the door. So there's going to be a couple rules when this video is released that I'm going to follow. One, I'm going to work out at least 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, maybe even every single day no, minus Saturday. I'm gonna go to BJJ in the morning. I'm gonna wake up regardless of how little sleep I got, regardless of whether I'm feeling it or not, and I'm gonna go. 2, I am not gonna drink the entirety of the time I'm working on this game and trying to kick it out the door. I will not take a sip of alcohol except for Super Bowl. That's the one exception I'm gonna give myself. But like I said, I got hit with that big SAD, and one of the main ways that I've been coping with all these sort of negative things has been drinking, unfortunately. I do drink basically only on the weekends, but that hangover every single weekend just takes out basically my entire Saturday. Like I had a fun time last night. I went out with some coworkers. I went out with my girlfriend for a while too, and I drank a lot. I got a hangover, and I'm filming this now at 2 p.m. So basically my entire morning was just tossed out the door because of drinking. And it's not healthy. I'm losing too much time. I'm doing terrible things to my body. I weigh the most that I've ever weighed right now, which is it's almost 190 pounds. It's like 185 to 188. I keep fluctuating. And for my height, I should be around 165 to 150 to 165 is a much healthier weight. The important things right now are: 1, I am kickstarting a board game on April 24th. It's 2 days after Earth Day. It's a nice Friday. I'm gonna have a release party, and there will be a lot of information on this channel coming up as I work on it for the next few months. And I will work out 3 times a week, and I will not drink for the next February, March, like 3 months, so I can get this thing out the door. As I've been saying for a year now, we're close. We're so close. And we are very close to getting this thing out the door. This is a fun game. I enjoy playing it. There's going to be a bunch of cool features about how we're going to release this, and there's going to be a bunch of funny videos for the Kickstarter video itself, for a couple ads that we're going to run as well. But I need to do it. And it's like that one John Green video. This is the test. This is life right now. Nothing's going to happen for me unless I start taking action to progress my life to be where I want it to be. So I will close now the book on 2019 Sporp. I put out all the videos I wanted to, and now it's time. Now it's time for the big stuff.